Good morning, everyone. So today the topic that we are going to do is pronouns from your grammar book. Okay. So what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Okay. The word that is used instead of noun is known as pronouns. Understood, everyone? सो नाउन की जगह पे आने वाले इन हिंदी उसे सर्वनाम संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग करने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. सो सेम इन इंग्लिश, वर्ड्स यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन आर नोन एज pronouns. Okay, see here we have different parts of pronouns. Okay, first one is personal pronoun, then we have interrogative pronoun, then we have definite pronoun, then we have relative pronoun, then is possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, distributive pronoun. So we have so many pronouns. So don't just get confused by so many words. Okay, it's we are not going to do all of them. I'm just basically going to tell you what they all are about, what is all about. Okay, don't get confused. Very easy they are. Simply just by reading the examples, no, it will become very easy for you to understand. Okay, so the first one that we are going to do is personal pronoun. Okay, so personal pronoun is used instead of a noun that names a definite pronoun. Definite pronoun means which cannot be changed. Okay, so here in personal pronouns, I am going to read some of the examples. Did I not tell you to be punctual? Here I and you are personal pronoun. Okay, and then we should always speak the truth. So here we is the personal pronoun. Why are you crying? So why are you crying is you is your personal pronoun, are you is your personal pronoun, and me is also personal pronoun. So these are all known as personal pronouns. Okay, the pronoun stands for names of person or thing. Okay, anything that stands for the pronoun in the sentences is actually it stands for somebody's name or thing. Okay, some name of a person or thing. Okay, for animals, you know, we use it. This to you people know. Understood, everyone? So these are the words that are used in personal pronoun. See here you have definition also of personal pronoun. A pronoun I, you, it or they used instead of a noun that names a different definite person or thing. Definite means that cannot be changed. Okay, so this is known as personal pronoun. Here in personal pronoun you will see we have three persons. Okay, first person, second person, and third person. Okay, now first person is the speaker, means the one who is speaking. Okay, the person who is speaking is known as the first person. Then second person is the person who is listening. Okay, the one who is listening is known as the second person. And the third person means the first person and second person are talking about, जिसके बारे में first person and second person are talking about, is known as the third person. Okay, the one about whom is the conversation going. Okay, suppose two people are talking, so the one who is speaking is known as the first person, the one who is listening is known as the second person, and both of them are talking about the one is known as the third person. Understood? So here these are the three people, this is the three things that you have to remember: first person, second person, third person. Now here in this you are going to learn number genders. Okay, in this see, singular and plural. Understood? Singular and plural, where you have to use singular, where you have to use plural. See, I, me and mine in first person is used as singular. Then we, us, are used in plural as for first person. Okay, now for second person, you, yours is used in singular, and same you, yours is used in plural also for second person. Now in third person you have to use he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. It is used for things we don't know the gender of. Okay. Now the same thing in plural we have to use they, them, theirs. Understood? The basic things. This is a table. You can see very clearly how you have to use what words. Okay. And here see, I, me, mine, we, us, our, you, yours are used for both masculine and feminine gender. Okay. He, him, his is used for masculine gender. She, her, hers is used for feminine gender. It is used for neutral gender, the gender we don't know, no? So that means it's a neutral gender. And they, them, there is used for all genders, means to identify people in group. Okay. So this is how you have to use first personal pronouns in all the cases. Okay. See, now here you have possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun means it is used for showing possession or relationship of a person or thing to another person or thing. Relation of one person or thing to another person or thing. Okay. See, for example, this book is mine. So here it is clearly saying that this book is mine. Thing is the book and mine is the person. So this book is mine. So it is giving you relationship. This house is ours. The house is the thing and ours is the people. So this is how it is related to each other. And you do not use apostrophe s in personal pronouns. Okay. Like this. Here it is written HERS. You don't use this. This is not to be used. Okay. So this is what is known as possessive pronouns. See, the words in italic shows possession. They are called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns usually follow the nouns they refer to. They never come before the noun. Possessive pronoun will never come before the noun. See, your, mine, ours, hers, theirs. These all words are possessive pronoun and they will never come before a noun. And they are used to show the possession of one person or thing to another person or thing. Okay. So I hope this is clear, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask. The next parts of pronoun we'll read in the next video. Okay. Thank you.